Have you ever had one of those days where you're busy from the second you wake up, but when you finally lie down at night, you wonder, what did I even do today? You checked your phone, answered messages, jumped from task to task, but the important things, still untouched, still waiting. If that sounds familiar, this video is your reset, because you don't need more hours in your day, you just need to own them. Hey, I'm Money Motivator. And today I want to talk to you about something that changed everything for me. How to stop wasting time and start owning your day. Because I promise you this, productivity isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters with intention. Let's be honest, most people aren't bad at managing time. They're bad at managing attention. You wake up, grab your phone, and suddenly your day is being run by everyone except you. Your energy gets pulled in every direction. And that's why you feel overwhelmed, drained, and unproductive. But here's the truth. You don't need to do more, you need to focus better. Let me show you how to fix this. Step 1. Stop trying to manage time. Manage yourself. Time doesn't care who you are. We all get the same 24 hours. But what you do with yours, that's on you. Before you reach for your phone, take a moment. Breathe. Ask yourself what truly matters today. Not what's urgent, what's important. Step 2. Use what I call the 1-3-5 rule. Each day write down 1 big task, something that moves you forward. 3 medium tasks, things that matter but aren't urgent. 5 small tasks, the quick stuff. That's it, 9 tasks, clear, focused. And when you complete them, you'll feel the momentum hit. Step 3. Energy trust to time. Don't schedule your most important work when you're running on fumes. Figure out when your mind is sharpest. Is it morning, afternoon, late night? Protect that time. No notifications, no distractions. That's your deep work zone. Here are 3 simple things you can start doing today. 1. Time audit. Track your next 24 hours. See where your time really goes. You'll be shocked. 2. 45-minute focus blocks. Pick one task, no multitasking. Set a timer. Go. 3. Nightly reset. Before bed, plan tomorrow's 1-3-5. You'll sleep better and start your day stronger. Let me tell you what Bill Gates once said. I choose a lazy person to do a hard job, because a lazy person will find an easy way to do it. Productivity isn't about grinding for 16 hours a day. It's about thinking smart, doing the right things at the right time with the right energy. So if this message hit you, hit that like button. Comment below. What's one productivity habit you'll start today? And don't forget to subscribe, because here at Money Motivator, we don't just talk about change, we live it. You're not behind, you're not lazy, you're just one system away from taking control again. Let's stop being reactive and start designing our days, our goals, our life. Own your time, own your mind, and everything else will follow. Let's go.